Hello, this is Josh, DreamBody Clinic, and you're going to hear from returning patient William in this video. He's going to go through what he did before, how things worked for him, how treatments are going. He originally came because he's had chronic bronchitis for a very long time. He did the 100 million IV and it helped him tremendously because when you do an IV, it goes to your heart and then to your lungs. And about 70% get stuck in the lungs for 2 to 3 hours. Now they don't get stuck there forever, but a lot of those will dissipate into the lungs and those will stay there helping. The rest will pass by the lungs, start going to the other organs, go through your system, helping out. Well, it's good for him. He had the lung issue because a lot of them went there. And what he noticed was right away, he had had kind of a flare up a bit of bronchitis, maybe a month after treatment. And that's okay. Look, stem cells don't work instantly. We usually see peak results 3 to 6 months later. It was a very mild flare-up, which he attributes to the stem cells kind of mitigating that and helping out. But then 6 months later, he could feel it coming on. It was like around Christmas, he's feeling that coming and never had the full, like the bronchitis. He didn't get the cough, none of that happened. And his immune system really reacted well. The stem cells send out specialized cytokines that help reprogram the immune system, get it to stop attacking, start protecting, and it seems to have worked incredibly well for him. So he came back again to do another 100 million. A lot of people will do a higher dose for lung conditions and bronchitis, like a 300 million IV, but he wanted to test the waters, see what it did. He's so happy with results. He came back with his wife, and you can hear from him here. So stay tuned to hear from William. You can check out the website at www.dreambody.clinic. All the treatments are listed with prices and info. I'm Josh, happy to help.
Okay, so today we have William. He's a receiving patient. And I'm going to do some questions for you, William. So can you tell us what condition led you to seek stem cell therapy?
Well, I had chronic bronchitis a couple of years ago. And last year I came and I got the 100 million IV. And then last September I got chronic bronchitis again. And it took me 4, 5, 6 weeks to get over with it. And then last January, I started to get the same symptoms again with a runny nose and a scratchy throat and then right to my chest. And I thought for sure I was going to get it again. But after 2, 3 days, it went away. And I can remember being told that the IV treatment may take up to maybe 6, 7 months or so to take effect.
To see the peak of the result.
And so I felt, well, that's really helped me. And so I thought I'd come back this summer and I'd get another 100 million IV.
Just to do a maintenance and following, a boost for the other treatment. So, why do you decide to travel to Mexico and choose DreamBody Clinic for these treatments?
Well, I really like the facility here. Everybody is so very professional. And we get picked up at the airport and brought here to our hotel, and then they're picked up or come here to the facility, and everyone here is just very professional. It's a very nice facility, and it seems like they have all state-of-the-art equipment and stuff, and so I feel very comfortable coming here for treatment.
When did you start feeling improvements, and what specific changes do you see after the therapy?
I would say probably 6, 7 months after that treatment is when, because of what happened to me, that I felt, I'm feeling effect from that treatment.
Okay.
So 6 or 7 months roughly after the treatment.
I think that's it.
If you'd like to learn more about this, please give us a call toll-free at 888-704-3977 or check out the website at www.dreambody.clinic. Scroll down on the homepage, you'll see all the treatments are listed. Very easy to see the treatments. Select the one you want. The information's there, the price, everything you could want to know, links to studies, patient testimonials, all of that's there. I'm Josh, happy to help.